Noah, I heard people say you can learn English while sleeping by playing audio all night. Is that real or a myth?
I tried it for a month. Let me tell you the truth about sleep learning.
So, does it work or not? I need a straight answer.
The answer is complicated. Pure sleep learning, being unconscious and absorbing new information, doesn't work.
So, it's a myth.
But here's what does work. Listening practice right before sleep and right after waking up has powerful effects.
Okay, explain the science behind this.
Your brain is most receptive to learning during the first hour after waking and the last hour before sleep.
Why those specific times?
After waking, your brain is fresh and alert. Before sleep, your brain consolidates and processes information from the day.
So, if I listen to English during these times, my brain absorbs it better?
Exactly. Not while you're fully asleep, but in the transition periods, falling asleep and waking up.
What should people listen to before bed?
Calm, slow English content. Audiobooks, podcasts with clear speech, guided meditations in English, bedtime stories.
Not exciting action content?
No, you want to relax into sleep, not get energized. Choose soothing voices, discussing interesting but not stimulating topics.
What happens to your brain during this pre-sleep listening?
Your brain processes the sounds and patterns subconsciously. Even as you drift off, you're absorbing English rhythm and pronunciation.
And what about playing audio while fully asleep?
Research shows you don't learn new information while sleeping, but you can reinforce what you already know.
So, if I learned vocabulary during the day, sleeping while hearing those words might help?
Possibly. Some studies suggest it strengthens memory consolidation, but don't rely on it as your only learning method.
What about waking up to English audio?
This is powerful. Your first input of the day shapes your brain's language mode.
I use an English podcast as my alarm. Is that good?
Perfect. Your brain activates in English mode from the moment you wake up.
Let's give practical recommendations. What's the best bedtime listening routine?
30 minutes before sleep, start listening to gentle English content at low volume.
What volume level?
Comfortable but quiet. You should hear clearly without straining, but it shouldn't be loud enough to keep you awake.
What content works best?
Audiobooks you've read before, English sleep stories, calm podcasts about nature or history, guided relaxations in English.
Why content you've already encountered?
Your brain isn't working hard to understand new information. It's reinforcing familiar patterns, which is perfect for sleep time.
Should the audio continue all night or stop after you fall asleep?
Use a sleep timer. Let it play for 30 to 60 minutes, then auto-stop. Silence is important for deep sleep.
What about morning listening?
The moment you wake, before checking your phone, listen to 10 to 15 minutes of English.
What kind of morning content?
News briefings, motivational talks, upbeat podcasts, things that energize and inform you.
Should I stay in bed or get up while listening?
Get up and move. Listen while making breakfast, showering, getting dressed. Active listening with physical movement is powerful.
Now let's address skepticism. Some people say this is pseudoscience.
They're partly right. The extreme claims, like learn fluent English while sleeping, are false.
But the moderate claims?
Improve your listening skills through strategic timing. That's supported by research on memory consolidation and cognitive readiness.
So it's about being realistic with expectations.
Exactly. This isn't magic. It's strategic use of your brain's natural rhythms.
Let's share what happened when we tried this for 30 days.
I listen to English audiobooks for 30 minutes before bed every night.
What changes did you notice?
My listening comprehension improved. I could understand faster speech more easily.
Just from bedtime listening?
Combined with other practice, yes. It wasn't the only thing I did, but it definitely helped.
I woke up to English podcasts every morning for a month.
What was your result?
I started thinking in English more naturally throughout the day. My brain stayed in English mode longer.
That's the power of starting your day with English input.
But we both need to emphasize this is a supplement, not a replacement for active study.
Exactly. You still need to speak, write, read actively. This just adds extra passive exposure.
Let's give a complete 24-hour English listening strategy.
Morning, wake up to English audio, 10 to 15 minutes while getting ready.
Midday, active listening practice during lunch or commute, 15 to 20 minutes focused listening.
Evening, background English while cooking or doing chores, semi-passive exposure.
Bedtime, 30 to 45 minutes of calm English content while falling asleep.
Total listening exposure, 90 to 120 minutes daily with varying levels of attention.
This creates an English-rich environment even if you don't live in an English-speaking country.
Let's address common questions. What if I can't understand the bedtime audio?
That's okay. Your brain still benefits from hearing the sounds and rhythms even without full comprehension.
Will this interfere with my sleep quality?
It shouldn't if you use calm content at low volume. If it keeps you awake, lower the volume or choose gentler content.
Can children do this?
Yes, this works great for children learning English. Use age-appropriate stories and songs.
What about people with insomnia?
If you have sleep issues, consult a doctor first. Don't do anything that worsens your sleep problems.
How long before I see results?
Give it 2 to 3 weeks of consistent practice. Changes are gradual, not immediate.
Let's share specific audio recommendations.
For bedtime, sleep stories on Calm app, audiobooks of classic literature, nature documentaries audio.
For morning, 6-Minute English by BBC, daily English conversation podcasts, news briefings.
For background, TV shows you've watched before, YouTube videos in your interest areas, music with lyrics.
The key is matching content to your attention level at that time.
One warning, don't overdo it. Your brain needs some silence too. Don't have English playing literally 24/7. Balance exposure with quiet time for processing and rest.
Final verdict on sleep learning?
It's not magic, but strategic timing of listening practice really works.
Use pre-sleep and post-wake times for passive exposure, combined with active study for best results.
Don't expect to wake up fluent, but do expect gradual improvement in listening skills.
All right, everyone. Your challenge? Tonight, listen to 30 minutes of English before bed.
Tomorrow morning, wake up to English audio. Try it for 1 week.
Comment below what audio you chose and if you notice any changes.
See you in the next video.
Sweet dreams and good morning in English.